Hi guys, Dorota Palicka International, nail artist and educator here, and I've got some awesome nail haul for you to unpack and check. So first of it is a Cordless UV LED lamp, and it looks actually really pretty, but the things about those lamps is you want them to be functional. So I got this parcel from SHEIN. I will give you the link in the descriptions of this video. And first of all, what you want to check, that's the main and the most important thing, is the nanometers of your lamp, okay? So our gel range cures in between 365 to 400 nanometers. And you want to make sure you've got those informations in here. And I can see it. We've got 30 pc of the lights, and then we've got also the wavelength 365 to 405 nanometers, and this is the most important information, which means I can give it a try to this lamp because it operates on the same nanometers what our gels are curing. The brands always should provide for you those kind of informations, so I will be testing it and see how efficient it is. But let me see first of all how pretty it looks like. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely amazing. So I've got Patrick helping me get rid of this box, and look at this, like wow, how pretty is that? I think this is the most prettiest lamp I have ever seen. It comes in an ombre and it's crystals like, and it's so sparkly, and it looks absolutely amazing. I actually had some of their lamp in the past, and it was a silver one, like AB crystals, and it did behave absolutely amazing, and I still have it. The plug comes as a UK plug, which is even better because quite often I have to use the connector, like the convector from the European or United States cables is pretty long as well, and I think that is crucial. Like in your desk, you want to make sure the things are in the right length. I'm gonna check it if it's actually working without of charging it. So it has a on button. Yes, it is. Okay, it is charged. So the even more amazing stuff about it, it is like when your power goes off, you can still use it actually, because you can see also how strong it is. My nails are glowing like quite strongly. You can use it even if you've got a power cut, and you know it did actually happen it to me once. This is a really nice advantage. The crystals feels really nice and smooth on top of it, and you've got modes of 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and then low heat button as well. I do cure our gels, and they cure 30 seconds in a LED lamp. But I always give it 60 seconds cure, and they do not yes, of course you can over cure the product, but quite often clients would place their hand different way, or they put it too far in, not enough in. So I'm always kind of making sure they are properly cured, because this is really important. And I'm gonna test this lamp, actually this one, and then another one which I got as well. So we've got also nail dust collector, which I will show you in a second as well. Obviously the first one I think is my favorite one, it looks so amazing. But then we've got another one, so let's check the same informations, guys. So this one comes as 90 LEDs, which is a double lamp, actually a triple lamp. I'm actually quite curious how it looks inside, so let me open it. I need the instruction packet as well, just to check it. The things are... So it looks really, okay, this one is completely different. So this one comes with an actual handrest as well, which is nice and soft. Let me check if you can actually operate wireless as well. No, there is no start button or anything like that, so I have to plug it, and we'll plug it in a second. But let me check. So another thing which I like to check, especially when you're doing for a pedicures, if you can actually remove this part. Yes, you can. So this is advantage, because obviously when you're doing someone's feet, you don't want to get clients going after clients. So we always put a white towel underneath, and they can safely put their feet. You can see it's packed with so many lights in here, which should give us a really good cure at the tips, on the top, and on the sides with this amount of the lights. But sometimes the amount of the lights itself isn't the the main thing you need to look about when it comes to the lamps. So first of all, you never want any black lamps inside. The black doesn't reflect the light, and this is actually quite difficult, guys, to cure the product. So always avoid black lamps. Like, you don't want black lamps. I can advise you on that. I'm just gonna plug this one and see it how it works. So okay, so you've got 99 seconds option, 10 seconds. Okay, this is a low heat. You can see the light isn't as strong. And then we've got full power, like which is in there. We've got 30 seconds and 60 seconds. It's quite nice and large, and it's called Sun Mate 60. It looks really elegant, and it's really large. Actually, clients could put both hands at the same time, which I never use it. So the size of the lamp wouldn't be my first choice. Like, I will be checking mainly how it's curing the product. Okay, I also want to check if you can remove the bottom on this one. Probably.
Yeah.
Maybe not. No, you can't remove it, but I want to show you guys the lights inside, if it's possible, actually. The placement of the lights is quite good on this one as well, because you've got them on every side. You've got them on every side, and it comes on automatically as well. I'm not sure if we can remove the bottom. I will check it. But another very important thing I want to check with this double lamp is, of course, the nanometers. Here we are. So this one is the same, 365 to 405. That's the range which this lamp is operating on, which means it should pass it as well. So let's try it now to see if it's gonna manage our black gel polish. This is very important thing, guys, as well. Oh, Patrick just opened it for me. Thank you so much. You are a clever boy. So here we are. You can remove the bottom on this one as well. Oh, it's so amazing, that one. Absolutely like amazing. It looks like so pretty. Yeah, we want to check it if we can actually, if it can manage our black gel polish. So I will just quickly give it a couple scratches to the two tips, and we will do the test. Do not test it on a clear top coats, because the clear colors, guys, penetrate through the light much better than the red, black or white. You always want to check it on those most difficult colors, and in my case it is a black. So once Patrick stops playing with those lamps, I will be able to it's okay, carry on. Thank you so much, you have been very helpful. You don't have to apologize. Okay, so we are gonna check the first test. Okay, so I want to use the Abbotted 183 black, and I want to apply it nice and thin layer, just like as usual. So nice and thin layer on my tip, and I want to see it how properly this light is gonna cure it. And I would always cure a black, white and red 60 seconds. So I'm just putting it inside 60 seconds. Now, distance of the light to the hand, it is very important as well. On the tips, the tip is a little bit lower, which is making it more difficult to cure properly. But if it does pass the test, that means it is okay, because the client hand is going to be a little bit higher. Okay, so this is another thing. It's like when you're trying to replace your lamp, do not get the lamps which got the lights too high up, because that will make, like, even if they would have 100 lights, they wouldn't be as efficient, because the distance is really important. The nanometers they operate on, the amount. Quite often when you're a beginner nail technician, you're just checking like, oh, this lamp has 90 watt, like it's gonna be so strong. No, you want to check those nanometers, you want to check the distance of the light, the position of the light, and you always want to avoid a black lamp. So those two, we've got a chance to pass the exam. Okay, I'm just gonna put this one in there as well. So this one is cured. And I'm just gonna grab my cuticle pusher, guys. Like, I don't want to touch the product with my hands. I'm just gonna grab the cuticle pusher, and I'm really strongly trying to scrape it off. As you can see it, it didn't wrinkle. I cannot scrape off the product, and it's nicely fully cured in this lamp. So this one passed for me the exam, okay? And it did cure the product really, really well. If you would get any kind of wrinkle, if you would be able to lift the product off from the tip, that's mean the product maybe just cured it on the top, but didn't cure it inside. And this is a really big issue. You wouldn't use those kind of lamps. Another thing is, like, I tend to replace the lamps really often. Like once they get like some gel polish stick in them, and once the light is used like quite a lot, you wouldn't want to do it on those clients. And this one seems to feel absolutely fine as well. I am really like doing lots of pressure to scrape it off with the cuticle pusher, and that's the knife side, which means like I should be able to pick it off if the product is uncured. So they both passed to me, and this one, oh my goodness, it looks so pretty. Well, I've got another thing for you to try out in this new haul, and that is the dust collector. I am pretty curious about this one as well. So we've got the dust collector. It says strong dust suction, low noise, fine screen. I am really on a hunt for a really good dust collector, and I'm really struggling to find something which is so good and reliable. So let me check what we've got in here. Okay, it looks nice, but again, the look is not everything. You know, we want to make sure it is really function. Okay. Wow, I am impressed because you can use it without, it is why like cableless, cordless. It seems quite powerful. Let me see how you get to clean it. So I believe you will need to open that somehow. Patrick is checking the instruction for me, because you need to be able to clean it, otherwise it is like a single use. I'm gonna grab some teeth.
Definitely open there because it's space for it.
Yeah, I think it's a space, but I'm scared. I don't want to break it. Patrick is doing those hard tasks for me. Here is perfect. Thank you so much, Patrick. Yes, so you can easily clean it. Okay, it's a similar one to the ones I had it in the past. It seems larger, so I'm just gonna see it, how efficient it is. More to the left, how efficient it is. Let me grab some tip which I could file really strongly. Really strongly I can file. We could actually file this. So I'm just gonna top coat the black tip, and we will try to file that and see how efficient it is. Okay, so I will just apply it over my black. Another way how you could check it if your product is cured properly is, oh Patrick, no, I don't want to e-file your natural nails. Another way how you could check it is I'm gonna keep this brush in here and cure my tip in this beautiful lamp. This one is like so amazing. Keep your products away from the light, and you can take a wipe and check it if there is any black residue or red. Okay, if the product wouldn't cure properly, you will have some residue of this product on your top coat brush. So this is another way how you would test it. I can wait maybe 7 more seconds, and then we can start e-filing those tips to see how efficient the actual dust collector is. So I just put it on. The top coat is cooked. As I say, it's cured in 30 seconds. And now I'm just gonna file it. Patrick, can I have your hand, please? So I'm gonna keep Patrick's hand like this to see how much dust is gonna land on his hand. I'm gonna file away through the plastic as well, just so we've got more filing. Okay, that's actually quite impressive as well. I am not covered in the dust. There is lots of dust in here. My only problem would be how the client is gonna keep the hand. Like, guys, please, like everyone, like all the manufacturers, please, please, please give me a dust collector with the hand rest, because when I'm doing so many, like, the person will need to keep it in the ear, and basically what is happening, all the weight goes into a nail technician hand. Please give us a dust collectors. Please give us a dust collector with the hand rest, which will be so nice and powerful. That's what I am hunting for. This one is great for a home users. Like, I know, like, I wouldn't use it in a salon as a professional dust collector, but it's quite awesome, like, for me, even if I'm doing my hands in a home, in a studio. Yes, I could use it, but not in a salon, because I'm missing those hand rests. Yeah, so that's pretty everything what I wanted to show you in this nail haul, and I hope you have really enjoyed it. Look at this lamp, it's so nice and pretty. Let me know, guys, if you're happy to see those kind of review videos as well of different tools, different products. If so, I will be happy to produce them for you on Sundays as an extra videos. And now we both with Patrick send you huge glittery hugs, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!